Hi, my name's Sydney, and I am the Culinary Club president for this year. I just wanted to say thank you for your interest, and I wanted to tell you a bit about our club. So, the Culinary Club normally meets once a week, and what we do is we come together and cook a meal, and then we all sit together and talk and eat that meal, and it's just a really good time to get to know each other and to be able to practice our cooking skills. So, this semester is going to be a little bit different because of COVID. So, in order to make sure that we're all being safe, we will probably be doing a lot of things online. This includes having virtual meetings or sending out videos of different members cooking meals. And we would also love for you guys to be able to submit videos to us and then to also share recipes with us. So we hope that even though we will have to do a lot of things virtually, that we will still be able to come together as a community and practice our cooking skills with each other. So now I'm going to let Sarah, our PR, talk to you guys for a bit about why she likes the club.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I am PR for Culinary Club, and I really love Culinary Club because it's not only a place where you learn skills in the kitchen and you learn how to cook. It's also really great to be able to sit around and have a home-cooked meal every week. So even though this semester is going to be different and we're going to be doing a lot of things virtually, we would love to have you. You'll learn new things, you'll make friends, and we really hope to see you soon.
Awesome! Now that you guys have heard Sarah talk about it, I hope that you're all interested in joining us for this semester. If you want more information, you can follow our Instagram, which is DU Culinary Club, or you can email us at culinary@denison.edu. Hope to see you this semester!